Welcome to Mudra learning series. I wish all of you a very blessed Navratri season. Today I shall deviate a little from the regular format and narrate a story to you. A story through dance. The legend that is most popular during the Navratri season is the slaying of Mahishasura by the goddess. So here is a narration of that story, that legend, through dance.
The story of Mahishasuramarthini. Long ago, there lived a demon by name Mahishasura. He was called thus because he had the head of a buffalo. Mahishasura was an ardent devotee of Lord Brahma, the creator. And for many years, he worshipped Lord Brahma with true devotion and pleased with his devotee, Lord Brahma blesses him with one boon. What do you want? Brahma asks Mahishasura. Mahishasura says, I should not be killed either by a man or an animal. Brahma grants him his wish, but tells him that his death would be by the hands of a lady. Intoxicated by the newly gained power and blessing, Mahishasura sets about attacking all the three worlds. He unleashes his might, his power on the heaven, earth, and hell, all the three worlds, capturing all that he took a liking to. The Devas were soon very worried, very disturbed that they would be overpowered by Mahishasura, and they rushed to Lord Brahma, seeking his advice, seeking his help. Mahishasura must be destroyed. There is no way he can continue to wreak havoc, they say. Lord Brahma, along with Lord Vishnu, the creator, and Lord Shiva, the destroyer, put together all their powers, all their might, and give it to create Goddess Durga, an incarnation of Parvati Devi. Goddess Durga soon sets out in search of Mahishasura. Armed with all the weapons, all the powers bestowed on her by the triumvirate and the Devas, Durga challenges Mahishasura to a battle. For many days, they fight valiantly. As the battle continues, Mahishasura keeps changing his form every day, taking numerous forms to fight with Devi. Devi, too, uses all her weapons to wage a very ferocious battle with Mahishasura. Days pass by as this fierce battle is watched by everyone. On the final day, when Mahishasura takes the form of a buffalo and comes to the battle, Devi, with her trident, kills Mahishasura, beheading him.